Okay, hier is 'n video vir Sean. Ons praat in Afrikaans omdat hy dit nie verstaan nie want hy's 'n
Hier.
ja, en so ons maak net vir 'n weekie om te wys hoe die Suid-Afrikaanse Engels ja. Ons praat nie thought nie, ons praat thought. Ons wil dit net deurkry voor ons die video begin.
En ook nie hoof nie. With.
Yeah.
Hoof, yeah.
Okay, so she's going to ask me a few questions and then I'm going to answer them.
So
in English.
You can appreciate our accent.
Our accent, because we love the Irish accent.
Yeah.
That's like it's my fetish.
And we don't believe that you like our accents at all.
Yeah, and I was going to give you proofs to see and put you off from the whole Irish thing. So,
that's the African thing of it.
Yeah, sorry, I mean, yeah, we didn't have a script, so this is all coming off the top of our heads.
Yeah.
Okay, so...
Okay, I'll ask you some questions.
Okay.
How did you meet Sean? No, I'm joking.
Meet. No, you're not stopping now.
Yes, you can. No.